welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are on our way to go do some grocery shopping for the Super Bowl. So I'm going to take you along with us right now. Well, after I figure out what we're making, so we know we're going to do the wings and the Captain Crunch chicken. If you have not seen those videos, I will link them right here. Okay, you guys, so what are you having for Super Bowl? Do you have something traditional that you do all the time, every year? Or is there something that you're going to try this year? Let me know in the comments. So I need to figure out. We might be having a couple of friends coming over. So, I think I know what we're going to do. And I'm going to get some things. And I'm going to have it all right here. Oh my gosh. Plus I need to pick up some things for lunches. Okay, since I think because we're having friends come over, I think I want to have something that will make a lot. So I'm going to do some potato skins. That tends to make a lot. And I'm going to try something for the kids. And I may show you that. Okay, I might show you that in a recipe. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that in a recipe. But you guys, we're going to be heading over to the nearby Vons. And wish us luck. These guys are helping.
Oh, yeah.
We do have really good produce here, so let's see what we can find. You guys, we are babysitting this cute little doggy, and she was just so happy to see me. Oh, can't say the same about the boys. Okay, so I have lots of groceries here to show you, and we spent $105. Plus, we got some extra things for breakfast as well. Say bye-bye, Mia. Say bye-bye. Oh. First off, we got sodas. They were 4 for $10. So we got my favorite DDP, and then there's the boys' favorite here, the Diet Coke. And then we got 2 different kinds of Frescas. Will we have them out on Super Bowl Sunday? We will see. We tend to kind of want to keep some of our sodas in the back fridge, so we'll see. But I'll show you the other stuff. So we got 4 packs of these little drumettes for, of course, chicken wings. Plus we got a little bit more of the Frank's hot sauce. So I think we still have a little bit in the back fridge, but we wanted to make sure we had just enough. So Paul's making some more of those chicken wings. I bought a couple of bags of chocolate chips because whoever suggested making Rice Krispie treats or the treats with the cereal that we didn't eat from our last week's taste test was brilliant. So I'm going to be taking those. I actually already have them measured and ready to go. It's going to be the Captain Crunch, the cotton candy one, and the chocolate strawberry one. And so I'll make those into the treats, the marshmallow treats. And then I always like to add, just to make it a little bit special, some chocolate chips melted. And I'll kind of put it on top, let it firm up. Makes it even extra special. Another thing that I got was some sliced ham. That's going to go with for one of the recipes for this weekend. And I got a couple of these bacons, and they were $3.50 each, so that's not too bad. And in case you were wondering, I did wash my hands after I picked up Mia. I have to. And I thought there might be a couple of you that were wondering the same thing as well. So let's keep going. All right, I picked up some more Captain Crunch because I am going to be making about 6.5 pounds of chicken strips. So that's going to be nearly almost tripling the amount that I made the other day. So I needed some more of these. I also saw some really good price on these cereals. I've never seen this Honey Nut Frosted Flakes before. That sounds kind of yummy. And I know Kobe really likes just the original. So these were just $1.99 each. The boys, like I said, have been really loving cereal lately. I got some more Grandma Sycamore. And then we got a couple of these ice creams. Just kind of keep them in the freezer for the family. And I got, oh, I thought I pulled it out. I did pull them out. I got some Little Debbie's donuts. Now these are glazed. And I got these toasted oats, these honey nut ones, in which I will poke them in the tops here. And then I have M&Ms for the nose. And if you've been watching me for a while, I am going to be making some Groundhog Day cupcakes. I'm going to do it a little bit different. In the past, I've made them like just a fun snack for the preschoolers where I just make a thing of pancakes and then I add the donut hole, usually a donut hole on top, and then add the little Cheerios, and then I have eyes, and then I put the nose with the frosting. So cute, you guys. And they just go right on top, and the kids really love them. This time I thought because I have some cake mix, that I would just make some cupcakes and just kind of do the same thing on top, which I have something else to show you. I got 2 packs of Oreos, so I'll be crumbling them on top of the cupcake to kind of show like a dirt mound. So cute, right? And then the rest will be for lunches or for snacking. These are the family size, so they're normally like $5 or $6. With my coupon, I got it for $2.99. What a deal. Let's keep going. So I got a 10-pound bag of potatoes. I will be making potato skins for the big game. And then I got a lot of bananas here. So I'm going to be freezing some up and making peanut butter chocolate banana bites, which are super easy to do. So I just slice them into little bite size and lay them on a cookie sheet and freeze them. And then when I feel like they're not enough frozen, maybe about an hour or so, then I will melt equal parts of chocolate chips and peanut butter right in the microwave, just kind of slow and low, and just go until it's nicely melted, and then just pour it on top of the bites and put them back in the freezer. That's perfect for me. I don't need to dip it all the way in because that can get messy. Have you tried that before? And so this make it so much faster. So if you put the bananas so close together and you just pour it on top, then you could just chop it with a knife and it's like little bars. So good, so easy. And I also got some detergent, and that's our favorite. It was $2.99 at Vons as well. I'm so happy. So whenever that detergent comes down in price, I just like to stock up. I mean, who doesn't do that? I mean, detergent doesn't always go on sale. I got some more milk for the cereal. I got some free eggs because it's a point system on the app. And you know what, guys? Oh, good. I didn't even check them. They're all right. I also got 2 Crescent Rolls. These were just on sale. These are $1.50 each. And then they had like it said as a thank you. So there wasn't advertised in the store, but on my app it said I could get 4 bags of their store brand chips for $5. Isn't that awesome? So I got these for lunches. $1.25 each. Yes. So, and pretzels actually last a long time for lunches. So I'm really happy about that. So you guys, that is it. You kind of got some ideas of what we're going to be doing for Super Bowl. And then I have a couple of things coming your way. So can't wait to show you. So thanks so much for coming with me tonight and my family to do a Vons grocery haul for the Super Bowl. And let me know if you've already done some shopping, because I will tell you the wings were scarce. So I would have bought them in the freezer section if they were there. They were all bought out. That and the Frank's hot sauce was like all gone too, the size I needed. So let me know if you're having better luck. So have a wonderful evening, everyone, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.